In the address field of your internet browser, enter the address sageu.com. Click on the Select Your Region button and click on your country. Click on the Select a Product button. Select your product to view available e-learning. Once you have selected your product, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Get Started button. The learning path will display. Click on the link you wish to start at. Confirm the learning package is eLearning Anytime Learning. Confirm that ebook does not display in the description. Click on the Request button. If you already have a Sage University account, click on the Login button. If you do not have a Sage University account, complete all the fields to create an account and log in. When creating your account, it is important to select your country. Click on the Country button. On the Search Country screen, enter the country name or country ID and click on Search. Select your country from the list. Once logged in, click on the View Transcript button. Once your request has been approved, the e-learning will display on your transcript. Click on the Open Curriculum button to start your e-learning experience. An alternative way to search for e-learning is to enter your product name in the search field. All training associated to your product will display. Ensure the learning package is eLearning Anytime Learning and ebook does not display in the description.